The horizon stretches endlessly before you: mountain trails, desert dunes, bustling city streets. No matter where the road takes you, one name has been trusted for generations to conquer them all: the Toyota Land Cruiser. And now, the legend evolves. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser LC300 isn't just an SUV, it's an institution, blending rugged off-road capability with modern luxury and advanced technology. Whether you're an adventurer, a family traveler, or someone who simply demands reliability, the LC300 is built to take you anywhere and back. Its design is bold yet sophisticated, staying true to the Land Cruiser's timeless DNA while embracing the future. The massive front grille commands attention, flanked by sleek yet powerful LED headlights that provide exceptional visibility in the harshest conditions. The sculpted hood, muscular fenders, and high ground clearance all signal that this is a vehicle ready for anything. At the rear, LED taillights and a streamlined tailgate design add a modern touch, while the optional skid plates and roof rails reinforce its readiness for extreme terrains. Rolling on massive 18 or 20-inch alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires, the Land Cruiser doesn't just look tough, it is tough, engineered to handle everything from deep sand to rocky inclines with absolute confidence. Inside, the Land Cruiser LC300 is a sanctuary of refinement. The cabin is crafted with premium materials, from soft touch leather seats to real wood and brushed aluminum trims that elevate the experience. The driver's cockpit is intuitive and commanding, featuring a high-resolution digital instrument cluster and a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The seats, available in ventilated and heated configurations, provide ultimate comfort for long journeys, while the available panoramic sunroof floods the interior with natural light, enhancing the feeling of spaciousness. With 3 rows of seating, the LC300 comfortably accommodates up to 7 passengers, making it as practical for family road trips as it is for extreme expeditions. Beneath the surface, the 2025 LC300 is a powerhouse. The twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 engine delivers an impressive 409 horsepower and 479 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission for smooth yet responsive acceleration. For those looking to balance power with efficiency, Toyota offers a hybrid variant, seamlessly integrating electric torque for improved fuel economy without compromising performance. The full-time, 4-wheel drive system, locking differentials, and an advanced multi-terrain select system ensure that whether you're navigating through city traffic or tackling rugged landscapes, the Land Cruiser adapts effortlessly to your environment. Off-road capability remains at the heart of the LC300's legacy. With a reinforced body-on-frame construction, an enhanced kinetic dynamic suspension system, EKDSS, and a newly refined crawl control system, this SUV is built to dominate even the most treacherous terrains. Water crossings, steep inclines, and uneven surfaces become mere obstacles, easily overcome with a simple turn of the dial. Hill descent control and an upgraded 360-degree terrain camera provide visibility where you need it most, ensuring maximum confidence in every adventure. Technology meets safety in the most advanced Land Cruiser yet. Toyota's latest Safety Sense suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking, keeping you and your passengers protected no matter the journey. The new 14-speaker JBL premium sound system transforms the cabin into an acoustic paradise, perfect for long drives through endless landscapes. And with Toyota's over-the-air software updates, the Land Cruiser stays at the cutting edge, always evolving to meet new challenges. Against competitors like the Land Rover Defender, Jeep Grand Wagoneer, and Lexus LX, the Land Cruiser remains unmatched in durability, off-road prowess, and legendary reliability. While others may offer luxury, the LC300 delivers something more: an unshakable sense of security, knowing that wherever the road leads, you'll always have the capability to go further. Now, imagine the journey. The hum of the engine, the endless possibilities stretching before you, the confidence of driving a machine engineered for adventure. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser LC300 isn't just a vehicle, it's a passport to exploration, a promise of capability, and a legacy that never fades. And now, it's waiting for you.